welcome back to one of Where RV Stain's unboxing videos. Today we have the AGPTEK LED 500 smoke fog machine. This unit has 13 colorful LEDs that work with a remote. Alright, let's get this box open. Got a bracket to hang it from a ceiling or other areas. The remote for the lights. This is a plug and switch. You can do it that way. Turn it on that way. Remote if you're going to be far from the unit. If you're doing a DJ show or whatnot. Electric plug, just some pieces here for the mount, and it is really tightly packed in here. The unit itself, and some directions. Let's take this out of the plastic. So in the front you can see the LED lights and where the fog smoke will come out. Your filling tank. On the back you have your power. So you can turn the LED lights on or off if you don't want them on. It has automatic spraying, which will do a continuous 25-second loop. Let it re-warm up and do it again. With the light controls, you can change to any color you would like. You can have a strobe effect, or you could have multicolors, whatever kind of effect you're going for. The reason we picked this up is at the campground, Halloween is a very big thing. We have 2 weeks of it, and we thought this would be a nice addition to our cemetery. With this model, you have to use a fog smoke liquid. So we picked up the high density Fog Works. It's fairly inexpensive online. Just pour it in there and go. In our next video, we will set it up and put it to use. In the description below, we will put a link so you can pick up your own AGPTEK LED 500 smoke fog machine. Until next time, happy trails.